Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM or network unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a different compatible wireless carrier or network. Here with us today we have a Samsung A03s that is originally from Tracfone here in the US, and this is a device that is indeed still network locked because when we insert a different carrier SIM card here, we have this message at the bottom saying that the phone is locked and to contact customer service to have it done. And then if we slide down the notification panel from the top, we can also see the exact same message shown there. So in the US, pretty much all wireless devices that are sold directly by a wireless carrier are going to come network locked to that carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different compatible carrier or network. And the carrier will do the SIM unlock for you if you meet all of their requirements, and therein lies the catch. So pretty much all wireless carriers are going to have a whole list of requirements that have to be met for them to do the unlock for you, usually being that you be the original owner of the device, that you have it fully paid off and it be out of contract, and that you not owe them any money, and that you have used it with them for a certain period of days, weeks, months, whatever the case may be, and the list goes on and on and on. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves wanted to change carriers away from Tracfone before fully satisfying all of Tracfone's requirements to do the SIM unlock for them, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. In those cases, the seller usually either claims that it's already unlocked or that it's already eligible to be unlocked and they just have to contact Tracfone or whatever the case may be, and then after the purchase, the buyer discovers that's not true and they're stuck with an unusable device. But we're making this video here today to show any interested customers that our business offers a service to be able to get the device network unlocked without having to go directly through Tracfone and meet all of their requirements. The procedure that we do is done directly to the phone while it's plugged into a computer. And the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can connect remotely through the internet right to your computer to do the exact same thing that we did here with this one. So actually, before starting the video, we had already done 99% of the work necessary to do the network unlock. We just left it in place right at the last step to be able to show visual proof that this is indeed something that we can do so that everyone knows that we're not trying to trick anyone here. Now that it's restarted and finished the last step of the process, we can go ahead and click that SIM card back in, and then we should be able to see that we no longer get that error message down at the bottom. So yep, we do not have anything popping up there, and then if we go ahead and slide down the top, we can see that we don't have that message in the notification bar either. And what we do have up there is 4G network bars, and then it says here sign in to network. So this is a SIM card that is not actually active on a line of service, so it's not actually going to be able to pull signal. We're just using it as an example, but it does demonstrate the fact that the lock has been removed and that we're not getting that error message anymore. And then, of course, in the SIM card status section, we can also see here that it shows the mobile network state as being connected and in service, which is something that it would not have shown previously with the other SIM card inserted. And then at the bottom, we finally have this pop-up message prompting us to restart the phone to apply new carrier settings, which is also something that only shows up on a network locked device. So this device has been fully and totally SIM and network unlocked and is now usable with other compatible carriers and networks. So if you have one of these Galaxy A03s from Straight Talk or Tracfone and would like help getting a network unlocked, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information can be found right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.